सत्तरी तालुक्यांतलो एक ल्हानसो गांव. निसर्गान नटलेलो हो गांव आनी हांगासरली मनशां सामकी सादी. ह्या गांवाची ग्रामदेवी श्री भुमिकाच्या आशिर्वादान हांगा भुमिका शिक्षण संस्था आपले कार्य फाटली बरीच वर्सां करत आसा. आनी ह्या संस्थेची हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल अंदू 25 वर्सां पुराय करता. ह्या 25 वर्सांचो प्रवास हो आदल्या मुख्यमंत्री आणि पर्या मतदारसंघाचे लाडके आमदार हांच्या नजरेखाला जाला. आणि ह्या प्रवासान तांची घरकान्नीचो बरोच मोलाचो वांटो आसा. ह्या 25 वर्सांच्या निमतान श्री भुमिका हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल बरेच उपक्रम राबोवपाची आसा. तातूंतली ही सुरवात.
A personality who has only one vision. If it is education, then we can change the entire nation. Hence, give a correct education to the student with an all-round development. This has been the mission, and with this particular mission, as has been said earlier about our mission, and with this motto to excel, Honorable Chairman, Sri Pratap Singh Raoji Rane, members of the management, has strived to start this higher secondary school and seen and given the guidance, cooperation from time to time for the growth of this higher secondary school. And we have a chief guest for today's function. No other person would have been most important than our chairman, esteemed chairman, as a chief guest to inaugurate the Silver Jubilee celebration of our higher secondary school. A big round of applause to our chairman. Our higher secondary progress has been always appreciated. We have been given always the guidance, cooperation. In case we are wrong, we have been always corrected. None other than our chairperson of our Sri Bhumika Shikshan Sansthas, Sri Bhumika High School and Higher Secondary and Primary School, none other than Mrs. Vijaya Devi Rane. We extend a very warm welcome to you, madam, on this auspicious occasion. A big round of applause to her. And I'll say, for this particular celebration, she is going to be the chief coordinator of our 25-year celebration. A big round of applause to her. This celebration of Silver Jubilee celebration will be united from primary school, high school and higher secondary school. That is the vision of our chairperson, Mrs. Vijaya Devi Rane. I welcome the vice chairman, who is an ex-PTA chairman, who has done so much for our higher secondary school, Sri Kashinath Majid, our Lakshman Chari, the secretary of this Shikshan Sanstha, who doesn't speak, but we always put his deeds in the progress of our Sanstha. I welcome him. I also welcome the manager of Sri Bhumika High School, our friend, the educationist Sri Govinda Balvaikar. I also welcome headmistress Mrs. Nita Gaukar, PTA chairman Sri Datta Rane, and I also welcome the first founder member of Sri Bhumika Shikshan Sanstha and vice principal of our higher secondary Session Kalchari, along with host of all my staff members who are present here, along with all of you. Please give a big round of applause to everybody. Once again, since our students of this 12th standard and 11th standards are a part of our Silver Jubilee celebration, I think I should welcome each and every student of our higher secondary. A big round of applause for yourself. And with these few words, let us celebrate 25th year with enthusiasm. Thank you. Jai Hind.
I request all the students to please give a big round of applause. because we are not only welcoming you and others, but we are even welcoming the Almighty over here. Because that echo should be heard even till Sosogar, the highest peak in Goa.
As I stand here at the foothills of the Western Ghats, which have been witness to a lot of occasions over the centuries. They have been witness to a history of this area. My young friends, you are the witness and you are the people who are going to create history. After 25 years, we are celebrating this beautiful institution's silver jubilee. With the blessings of no other than Goddess Bhumika, as she is popularly known here. But very few people know that this is a unique temple of Saptamatrikas. When I say Saptamatrikas, they are the 7 incarnations of Goddess Durga who came down to this earth to get rid of evil. There are various forms like Mahishasuri Mardini, the various other forms or incarnations as time passed. Our journey of 25 years has been one which has put this institution with the blessings and in the leadership of our higher secondary principal, Dr. Hinde, joined by his staff and no other persons who are now taking over the primary school as a mark of this institution's 25 years. We are going to have a new building for the primary, which is the base and the foundation for the children to grow as high or higher than the mountain of Sattari, the Vagiri mountains. It's a challenge to us, and we take this challenge in this beautiful green campus, which was a part given to us to run the education institution. Education today is the key to development of our country. There is no other subject that can help us to develop faster than any of those ideologies that have been professed earlier. If the citizenry is educated, the country will prosper. Let us all put our might to see that this educational complex grows as the time passes, and will be all a witness to this historic occasion. With this, I once again congratulate Dr. Hinde and his staff, Mr. Valvaika and others who are here, to see that the foundation is enriched at the primary level in this very occasion of 25 years. Let us hope and pray that this Goddess Bhumika blesses us for the growth of this institution.
Flavor of the ready to become as it is done. Please give a round of applause and shout slogans.
एकता ही हमारी जान है, एकता ही हमारी जान है। भारत माता के वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। चलो बढ़ो, चलो बढ़ो, भूमिका के साथ आगे बढ़ो, चलो बढ़ो, चलो बढ़ो। भूमिका के साथ जय जयकार, भूमिका के साथ जय जयकार, भूमिका के साथ जय जयकार।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। जय 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 जयकार, भूमि के साथ जय जयकार, जय 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 जयकार, भूमि के साथ जय जयकार,
भूमि के साथ जय जयकार, भूमि के साथ जय जयकार।
भूमिका के साथ आगे बढ़ो, भूमिका के साथ आगे बढ़ो।
जय 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 जयकार, भूमि के साथ जय जयकार, भूमि के साथ जय जयकार।
भूमि के साथ जय जयकार। सो विजय सो। एकता हमारी जान है, भूमिका हमारी शान है। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
I have been instruments to start the primary school, which will be the feeder school for the higher secondary. But it's a proud moment because in the days when there was no education available, my husband had the foresight to start such an institution and bring up young boys like you to face the world.
मॅनेजमेंटान जो 25 वर्सां पयलीं एक जो वृक्ष लायल्लो हांगासर तेका आज 25 वर्सां कंप्लीट जाल्ली आसा. तेका थोडीशी म्हाज्या मता प्रमाणे थोडीशी पानां फुलां येयल्लेली आसा आनी ही फुलां आमकां बरीच म्हणजे बऱ्या हेतूर आणखी आमकां वाडोवपाची इच्छा आसा आनी ती श्री देवी भुमिकेच्या आशिर्वादान आमकां वाडची.
I am one of the part and parcel of this function, so I am very proud because to become the party of this function.
I am very proud to be a member of this Sri Bhumika Shikshan Sanstha, and it is developing fast, and also I am very proud that it is celebrating that Sri Bhumika Higher Secondary School is celebrating its silver jubilee.
When 1982, only 2 teachers and 15 students we started, and now within the span of these 35 years, students have grown about 1,500 students now in the primary, secondary and higher secondary school, and also the staff members. Only 2 we have started, now there are more than 150 staff members.
आता म्हाका संस्थेची मोठी खुशी दिसता की हालींच 25 वर्सां जाल्ली आहा हे हायर सेकंडरी चालू जावं पूण बरीचशी भुरगीं हांगा शिकून वचून फुडें बरी कामां जाल्या मोठे डॉक्टर इंजिनियर खूब भुरगीं फुडें जाल्ल्या.
आमच्या या ग्रामीण भागातले भुरगे पयलीं साखळी जावं खूब अशा दूरच्या वाठारांत जाताले तांकां एक सोयीचे अशें म्हणून ही आमी हायर सेकंडरी स्थापन केल्या आनी आतां जवळ जवळ ह्या हायर सेकंडरी 25 वर्सां कंप्लीट जाता आनी जवळ जवळ 800 भुरगे दर वर्साक 400 भुरगे ॲडमिशन घेता. ह्या हायर सेकंडरीचे ह्या शिक्षण संस्थेचे चेअरमन श्री प्रताप सिंग राणे आणि त्याच बरोबर आमचो जो स्टाफ आसा प्रिन्सिपल हिंदे सर किंवा शिक्षण सगळे टीचर आणि नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ तर ह्यांच्या सहकार्यान ह्या संस्थेची भरभराट जायत आसा. संस्थेचो रिजल्ट 90 अभाव असो लागत आसा आनी ह्या संस्थेत येणाऱ्या भुरग्यां खातीर जे काय इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जाय ते आमचे मॅनेजमेंट योग्य पद्धतीन तांकां उपलब्ध करून दिता.
Namaskar. Sri Bhumika Shikshan Sanstha was established in the year 1982, and in the 1992 higher secondary was started under the guidance of Honorable Sri Pratap Singh Rane, with a mission to strive to make an every student an independent learner, a positive thinker, and to develop all-round personality beaming with patriotism, self-discipline, and quest for the excellence. And to achieve all these objectives of the mission, we have conduct various inter-class competitions, workshops, seminars, educational talk, educational visits, camp, excursions, celebration of national days, library day, NSS day, sports and annual social gathering, etc. from time to time as per the annual plan. We train the student and motivate them to take part in the various inter-higher secondary school and co-curricular competitions, sports games organized in the state. And because of this, I'm very proud to say that our overall achievement for the last 25 years is that we have 90% in result, and for the last 70 years, we have 85 first prizes, 16 championships, 16 sport championships, 15 students of ours have acquired highest marks at Goa board, and 76 students have participated at national level games. And this is achievable because of the coordination and cooperation of all the stakeholders required in the education system. And for the progress of any education institution, a perfect coordination of the students, teachers, parents, management with perfect execution of planning is essential. And we are pleased to say that due to the hard working of our student, the excellent teaching and non-teaching staff members, most vibrant parent-teacher association of ours, a perfect management led by under the guidance of Sri Pratap Singh Rane, and Manager Sri Shivaji Rao Rane, our high secondary school have achieved all this particular remarkable success at all level.
सर तुम्ही पहिले डायरेक्ट हांगा शिकतातून तुम्ही इंटर्नशिप घेताले?
I have taught in St. John of the High School, MES Higher Secondary, PS College at Farmabudi as a lecturer.
Sir, then why you left? Why you left there?
There are two reasons why I have left the college section with a high pay. One reason is that this Bhumika Devi is our deity. She is our आमची ग्रामदेवता आणि ग्रामदेवताच्या हितून आम्ही सर्विस दिली की आमकां तेजें सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मेळटा हें एक कारण आनी second reason is that we can prove that rural student, if you are given the right environment of the education, a conducive environment for the education, they can be on par with any students in the world, and that's what we have proved for the last 17 years.
आता जाणून घेऊया शिक्षकांचो आणि काही विद्यार्थ्यांचो अनुभव.
जशें तुमकां खबर आसा की ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनाचें नांवच श्री भूमिका हाय सेकंडरी आसा आनी हो देवीचो आमच्या फाटल्यान जो आशिर्वाद जो आसा तो कायम आसा आनी ह्याच बळाचेर आमी फुडें वतात.
सुरवातीक आमच्या कडेन सामके कमी भुरगे आसले. 12 आनी 22 भुरग्यांनी आमी घेवन आर्ट्स आनी कॉमर्स पयलीं सुरू केलें. 93 मागीर सायन्स आयलें.
25 वर्सां जी जाली तितून जी सुरवातीचो काळ जो आसलो तितून आमकां भुरगे मेळोवपा खातीर आमकां प्रत्येक भुरग्याच्या आमी घराघरांत गेलेले आसा.
भूमिका उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय भुरग्याचो सर्वांगीण विकास ऑल रावंड डेव्हलपमेंट कशें जातलें इतकेंच पळयना तर भुरग्यां मदीं जी नैतीक मूल्य आसा त्या नैतीक मूल्यांची जाण कशी निर्माण जातली हें आमी खूब पळयता.
Not only are we the top 3 in the state in results, but also in sports and personality development, and I'm proud to say that all our ex-students have been placed in very high positions.
What I have realized here is every student here is very unique. What they need is emotional support, motivation and courage to face any challenge in their life.
The nature here is very motivational and inspiring. It helps us, it forces us, it gives us a motivation to learn all the time.
Very happy to even say that last few years we're getting highest marks in Goa board. Such a remote area that is Parli, but we are giving highest marks in Goa board.
Within the limitations for last many years, we are doing well in sports. 18 times state judo championship we have won and state championship prizes we have brought.
I had never been to any sports selection before I came to high secondary, but when I come here, I am a state level taekwondo player now.
I'm very much happy that we have reached in 25 years and I am the part of this celebration.
In the last 25 years, this higher secondary has done lots of work, as we have seen with the past students as well as the current students who are coming out.
केवल विद्यार्थी यहाँ पर पास होने के बाद ही नहीं बल्कि एक्स स्टूडेंट लगातार हमें उनका सहयोग मिलता है.
As years progressed, we have students which have scaled very many heights. There are students who could not support their livelihood, are earning members of their family and their family are dependent on them.
आमी तिगाय जाणां हांगासर ह्या हायर सेकंडरीन शिकतालीं एज अ स्टुडंट. आयज म्हाका खूब मनांच्यान खुशी भोगता की आयज 25व्या वर्सा एज अ टीचर म्हणून आमी हांगा काम करता.
त्यांचं जे नेत्रदीपक जे यश इथं या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळतं मला हे खरोखरच अभिनंदनीय आहे आणि म्हणून आजच्या या दिवशी मी त्यांना 25व्या वर्षी पदार्पण केल्याबद्दल मी यांच्या संस्थेला किंवा त्यांच्या विद्यार्थी शिक्षक वर्ग आणि प्रिन्सिपल यांचं मी सगळ्यांचं अभिनंदन करतो.